hungry. I think Kapu has really spoken about food, and then the whole time I was thinking about food. But I don't have much to say. I think the only things I have to say is that one, uh, let us eat good food, and let's pick up from where Kapu finished. Let us eat good food, because what we are eating is killing us today. What we are eating today is killing us. And I know economically a lot of people are struggling and really cannot access good food. But let us try where we can to eat good food. Second is that slavery is colonialism abroad, and colonialism is slavery at home. And so we must refuse to be slaves in our own home, because this is a neo-colonial state. We must refuse to be slaves in our own home. Lazima tuende tuambie sisi si ng'ombe yenu ya gredi. So hata ikifika June na watu waseme wanarudi street, lazima turudi street bila uoga na tusikubali kuuziwa uoga. Third is that Pan-Africanism is the answer. Pan-Africanism is the answer. We, in this day and age, we have both a historical and a generational responsibility, especially when we look at Africa. Basically, totality. We look at what's the genocide in Congo, the genocide in Sudan, all this senseless conflict with armed groups that have been created inside borders and whatnot, all these land grabs happening, our food going, yani tuko pabaya. Our education is already gone. Ukiingia hapa public universities, there is not much going on. I think most of the people, even now in the high schools and the universities, we can say they are school, but they are not educated, because there's very little education going on in those institutions. Na mwisho, mimi nilikuwa tunataka kusema leo ni Kimathi Day. Of course, it is a day to commemorate and remember Kimathi. But like Sefu said at the beginning, it's also a day to remember all those who fought alongside and struggled alongside Kimathi. It is a day to remember General Chu. It is a day to remember Muthoni. It is a day to remember General Magazine. It is a day to remember all these people, all the fighters, the known and the unknown, wale wote walikuwa msituni, wale ambao walipigania uhuru yetu. And it is a day for us who are in this room, and even others who are outside this room, to recommit ourselves to the unfinished African liberation struggle. Hapa nyumbani, we must refocus our energies na tujue what we want to focus on. One, I don't know who will do it or how we will do it, but we must push Parliament to implement Article 68 of the Constitution, which puts the up and lower ceilings of land ownership, to put a ceiling on land ownership, such that we do not have what's the name, Kigalman owning 100,000 acres in Laikipia, Ranch or Laniro Ranch. We must put a land ceiling in this country. So Article 68 must be implemented by Parliament. We must reorganize the economy. The productive forces lazima zirudi kwa mkono wetu, mkono ya wananchi. Hapo ndio tutakuwa tunaanza sasa kuongea. We must defend food. We must defend education. Na tunaona Sefu akiniangalia na kando, lakini namaliza kombe. Now, I know we spoke about, you asked about engaging in the elections and everything. Yes, we will be running, I will be running for president in the 2027 election. But I think even that in itself is not enough. We must run across board, across all positions. Kuanzia presidency, to parliament, to the counties, across all positions, if we are to create fundamental change in this country. And that is, ukiona mtu anataka kusimama mwambie simama right away. Bora kuwe na progressive agenda. Bora kuwe na progressive agenda. Of course, tunasemanga Ruto must go. Ruto must go. But even that is not enough. Even that is not enough. The progressive agenda, which will help us chart our path forward and build and create this new society. This new society. Hiyo ndio kitu ile tunafaa kuangazia na tuweke macho yetu hapo. Inafaa kuwa agenda ile ambayo itatusaidia kukaza kamba kwa shingo ya maadui yetu. Adui yetu ni umaskini. Adui yetu ni ukosefu wa elimu. Adui yetu ni ukosefu wa healthcare. And so we have our work is clear and it's a clear cut thing. Our work is the path ahead is clear, and I think tuendelee kupambana. Viva KLM, viva! Viva! Viva RSL, viva! Viva! Viva Social Justice Movement, viva! Viva! Viva Pan-African Women's Network, viva! Viva! Viva vijana wa Nairobi, viva! Viva! Na vijana wa Nairobi.